how to set reminder for specific messages on your Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change or specific time, set the specific time for different types of conversation on your Instagram. So first thing, head over to your Instagram application, and once you are inside here, simply click on your message section over here, as you can see. So let me just show you. To set a reminder for the certain particular conversation, simply click on the chat for a little bit long, and you can see the option called set reminder. Simply click on it and choose accordingly. Like, you can also do it custom, like when exactly do you want to receive the notification for this conversation. Let's say for in 1 hour, like this. And you can also edit it like this. So that's it guys, that's exactly how you do that, and hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.